Hey guys, in this short video I'll show you how to change the battery in the MX Master from Logitech. Enjoy! Hey guys, so this is a short video about changing the battery on the Logitech MX Master, the first model. First you need a T5 screwdriver. Then we need to open up the screws here. And the other screws should be under the pads here. So you only need to remove like the side pads, but come on. I bought new pads anyway, so I will replace all of them. Be careful not to break anything. So there's a lot of dust and grind. Let me get my air. Can also open up this little connector here. Be careful when you remove the battery. Lithium-ion batteries can explode or start to burn. Remove the other screw so you can remove the battery holder. On the battery connector there was a foam-like sticker. Just remove it. Okay, that's a different connector than the one on the battery I bought. The new battery is also a little bit bigger. It has 1800 milliamps, and this one only has like 500. So we need to attach this plug to the new battery. First of all, I try to get as much cable as possible, so I will open up this put some shrink tubing on. Now we need to solder the old plug to the new battery. I didn't film this, or I did film this, but the footage was very blurry, so I cut most of it. Okay, so now the hard part is over, and remove the remains of the old double-sided tape from the battery holder. So the new battery is a little bit thicker. I don't know if this will fit, but we will see. Okay, I need to check the video on how the plug was connected here. Okay, I checked the footage, and the red wire goes down like so. So let's see if this turns on. Looks good. I don't know if you can see it, but you can see the green lights going on. That's a good sign. And also here. That's my dog in the background, so I'm sorry about that. Here, just test if the battery will fit if the mouse is closed. Okay, that looks good. Put some double-sided tape on the battery holder. Now we need to attach the blue ribbon cable back to the connector. You can use some pliers to help you with that. I used some isopropyl alcohol to get rid of the remains of the old glide pads. Okay, let's attach the new pads. And there you go. Fresh pads and fresh battery. Let's see how long we can go without charging the battery. It looks like it's 2/3 charged. Anyway, I will post an update on how long the battery will last. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.